So let us take an example of the electric field due to continuous charge distribution, that is electric field due to circular charge distribution. What is this? Suppose this is a circle of radius a, and at point x, which is P, we have to find out the electric field intensity. So for this purpose, as we have stated earlier, we will choose two elementary line element. One is at top, one is at bottom. Suppose this is dl. So for this dl portion, we have to first find out the electric field at P. Suppose the charge given in the circle is positive. So due to this charge distribution, we will find out the electric field intensity at P. So first let us consider that lambda is the linear charge density. So here, if total charge is given as Q and the total length is equal to 2 pi a, that is the circumference of circle, so linear charge density will be Q by 2 pi a. So what will be the charge at this dl portion? Suppose this is dq. So what will be the charge? Just lambda times dl. So dq, which is the charge due to this dl portion, it is equal to lambda times dl, that is charge density into elementary length. Now what will be the electric field intensity at P due to this dl? We know, since this is positive charge, the electric field intensity will be directed outward. So this is electric field intensity or electric field direction. And what will be the magnitude of electric field? It will be is equal to E is equal to small k dq by r square. What is r? This is r. So if I put, let it write it as dE. So dE is equal to k dq by r square. So k into lambda dl by r square. Okay. Now from this triangle, you see, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, so it will be r square is equal to a square plus x square. So if I put it here, it will be equal to k lambda dl by a square plus x square. So what will be the net charge? It seems like just integration of dE. It is net charge. It seems like that. But is it so? It is not so. Why? Because you see, if this angle is theta, this is d. For this lower dl portion, it will be again here. This is d. Now each d have two component. One is horizontal component and one is vertical component. So if this one is theta, you see this one is also theta. So here will be one vertical component of d sine theta, and if this is theta, this is d cos theta. Similarly, for this d in upward direction, it is d sine theta, and again this d cos theta will add in this direction. So what will be the totally will be d integration of d cos theta, So what is cos theta? D is given here. What is cos theta? So from the triangle, cos theta will be is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is x by r. So why it is x by r? Because x is base and r is hypotenuse. And if I replace this r, then what will be the value? It will be x by a square plus x square whole to the power half, that is root. Here using this equation we can write cos theta is equal to x by a square plus x square whole to the power half. So now put this cos theta and d here, you will get integration k lambda d by a square plus x square into x by a square plus x square whole to the power half. So if I put the value of k, then I will get 4 pi epsilon 0 lambda x dl by a square plus x square 1 and half, that will be is equal to 3 by 2. Now everything is constant. Here lambda is constant, charge density, x is constant, so and a square plus x square all over 3 by 2 is also constant. So E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qx by a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 integration of dl. So what will be the integration of dl? That is the total circumference. So it will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qx by a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 into 2 pi a. So 2 pi, here comes 2, so the result will be is equal to this 1 by 4 pi qx pi a by 2 epsilon 0 into a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. You can write it in another way. E is equal to, here 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, keep it like that, x by, this one is lambda, so you can write it like this, x by a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 into lambda into 2 pi a. So what is lambda into 2 pi a? Here is lambda into 2 pi a is equal to q. So it will be total E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This total part is q, so here it will be qx by a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. So this is the expression, or you can also use this one. So this is the final expression for circular charge distribution. Here I will tell you one important thing, that is electric field lines. Electric field lines or lines of force. So what is this electric field line or lines of force? If you define lines of force, then it can be defined like that. If you put one unit positive charge, that is +1, inside the electric field, then the path of this unit positive charge will indicate lines of force or electric field lines. So we can easily see that if positive charge or +q is here, and if I put +1 charge here, so this +q will repel this +1. So +1 will move like this, and this is called electric lines of force. Not only like this, it will move a parabolic path like this. So electric field lines or lines of force is directed away from positive charge. Similarly, if it is negative charge, as this is positive, it will attract. So electric lines of force due to negative charge will be towards the negative charge. Now if both the charges are here, one positive and one negative, what will happen? It will form a closed loop like this. Negative, this is positive, outward from positive and towards negative. So this is electric lines of force. Now what is the significance of this electric field lines of force? That if we take any point on the field line, then the tangent at this point will indicate direction of electric field. This is direction of electric field. Tangent at any point on the electric field line will indicate direction of electric field. So this is why no two lines of force or no two electric field lines can intersect. Why they can't intersect? Because if the two lines intersect, so that means there are two tangent at this point. So at one point inside the electric field, there are two different direction of electric field, which is not physical. So that is why two lines of force cannot intersect. Similarly, if we take this positive linear charge distribution, electric field lines will be just perpendicular to this linear charge, whereas for point charges it is parabolic.